Hello students. So today we will solve a few problems from the chapter Quadratic Equations. So from the 2019 question paper we have 4 problems, 2020 we'll take 1 problem. From the previous model paper 7, extra MCQ problem 6 and additional problems 10. Now what are the formulas you need to remember in this chapter? To find x, the expression is minus b plus or minus root of b square minus 4ac divided by 2a, and to find the discriminant delta, which is equal to b square minus 4ac, this is the expression you need to remember. Now with these two expressions, let us straight away begin by solving the problems. The first problem from 2019, find the discriminant value of the equation 2x square minus 4x plus 3 equals 0. So we know that the general form of the equation is ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. So let me write that. So I have ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. So what is a? A is 2 here, b is minus 4 and c is 3. So I need to find the nature of the roots. So to find the nature of the roots, you calculate the discriminant, which is delta, given by b square, that is minus 4 the whole square minus 4 into a into c. So what will I get? I will get, this is minus 4 square, it is 16 minus, so this is 8 into 3, which is 24. So you get it as minus 8. So since the value is less than 0, delta is less than 0, what do we conclude? There are no real roots. So moving on to the next one, 2. Solve by using the formula, that is x square minus 3x minus 10 equal to 0. So this is from again 2019. So we have to solve by using the expression. So the formula is this: x equals minus b plus or minus root of b square minus 4ac divided by 2a. So what is a? A is 1, b is minus 3, c is minus 10. So let us solve to find the roots. I have minus b, which is minus of minus 3, plus or minus root of b square minus 3 square minus 4 into a is 1 into c is minus 10 divided by 2a, 2 into 1. So we have 3 plus or minus root of this is 9 plus 4 into 10, 40, because this is minus into minus becomes plus divided by 2. So 49 root. So what is 49? 49 is a square, isn't it? So root of 49 is 7. So I get 3 plus or minus 7 by 2. So what are the two roots? The two roots are 3 plus 7 by 2, which is 10, by 2, which gives me 5. So one of the root is 5. And the other one is 3 minus 7 by 2, which is minus 4 by 2, which gives me minus 2. So the two roots are 5 and minus 2. Next, problem 3. I have x plus 1 by 2 equals 1 by x. So write this in the standard form. So the standard form is ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. So I have to express this in the standard form. To express this in the standard form, what do we do? Now I have x here, so let me multiply x with this numerator and let me bring this 2 here. So I have x into 1 plus x equals 2, right? So I get x plus x square equals 2, or x square plus x minus 2 equals 0. So this is the expression here. Very simple question. Fourth one, find delta and comment on the nature of the roots. So this is from 2020. So we have the equation 2x square minus 5x plus 3 equals 0. So to find the nature of the roots, what do we need to find? We need to find delta. So what is a? A is 2, b is minus 5 and c is 3. So delta is b square, so minus 5 square minus 4 into a is 2 into C is 3. So I have 25 minus, so this is 8 3s are 24, which gives me 1, which is greater than 0. So when the value is greater than 0, both the roots are distinct and they are real. So you have two roots and they are distinct and real. So let's move on with the next one. I have 2x square minus 5x minus 1 equal to 0. So we need to find the nature of the roots. So again I need to calculate delta. So a is 2, b is minus 5 and c is minus 1. So I have delta, which is b square minus 5 square minus 4 into a into c. So which is 25 plus 8. So what is 25 plus 8? I get 33, which is greater than 0. So again here the roots are distinct and real because the value is greater than 0 here. Okay, so moving on with the next one. So these are from the model question papers, the previous. If delta of b square minus 4ac equals 0, so I have b square minus 4ac. If it is equal to 0, then what is the nature of the roots? So if the discriminant value is equal to 0, we know that you have two roots which are equal and real, right? So you have two roots and both the roots are equal and real. So if the value b square minus 4ac is equal to 0, we know that you have two equal and real roots. So that is the answer for the first one. The next one, I have the equation px square plus qx minus r equals 0. Find delta. So this is again a 1 mark problem. So here I need to compare this with the general quadratic equation ax square plus bx plus c. Now when I compare these two, I realize that a equals p, instead of b I have q here, and instead of c I have minus r. So to find delta, what is delta? B square. So I have q square minus 4 into a is p into c is minus r. So I have q square minus 4 pr. It is plus, right? Because minus into minus gives me plus. So I have q square plus 4 pr is the answer. This is the value of delta for this quadratic equation. Next, the third one. If the quadratic equation is ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0, what is delta? Now we know that delta is b square minus 4ac. So this is the answer, a very straightforward simple question. Next, find the roots of the equation x square plus 7x plus 12 equal to 0. So this is a 2 mark problem. So there is no need for us to use the formula. So if I do not use the formula, then I can write this as the two roots a and b, or alpha and beta, such that alpha into beta equals 12 and alpha plus beta gives me 7. So two numbers when I multiply gives me 12 and when I add them should give me 7. So we know that it is 4 into 3. 4 into 3 is 12. 4 plus 3 is 7. Right? So I write this as x square plus, so I write alpha plus beta, or I have 3x plus 4x. So 7x can be written as 3x plus 4x plus 12 equal to 0. So remember, 3 into 4 gives me 12. 3 plus 4 gives me 7. I take x common from these two. I get x plus 3. From these two I take 4 common. Again I get x plus 3 equal to 0. So we have x plus 3 into x plus 4 equal to 0. So what are the roots? The roots are, I equate each of them to 0. So x plus 3 equals 0, or x equals minus 3. X plus 4 equals 0, or x equals minus 4. So the roots are x equal to minus 3 and minus 4. The fifth one, 3x square minus 5x plus 2 equal to 0. So you need to find the roots using the formula. It's a 2 mark problem. So what is a? A is 3, b is minus 5 and c is 2. So I'll straight away use the formula x equals minus b, which is minus of minus 5 is plus 5, plus or minus root of b square. So I have 5 square. So minus 5 square is nothing but 5 square, minus 4 into a is 3 into c, which is 2, divided by 2 into 3, 2 into a. So I have 5 plus or minus, so this is 25 minus 4 into 3 is 12 into 2 is 24. So I have 25 minus 24 divided by 6. So what is this? This is 5 plus or minus root 1 by 6. So what is root 1? Root 1 is 1 itself. So we have the value of x is 5 plus or minus 1 by 6. So one value is 5 plus 1 by 6, which is 6 by 6, which is 1. The other value is x equals 5 minus 1 by 6, which is 4 by 6, or I can write it as 2 by 3. So the two roots are 1 and 2 by 3. So this is a 2-mark problem. The next one, again we need to find the root of the equation 6x square plus 7x minus 10 equal to 0. Again we have to use the formula. Now a is 6, b is 7 and c is minus 10. So what is x? X is minus b, which is minus 7 plus or minus b square. So I'll directly write b square as 7 square 49 minus 4 into a is 6 into minus 10 divided by 2 into a, which is 12. So I'm skipping the steps, so make sure that you follow all the steps when you write in the examination. So I have 49, minus into minus is plus. So remember, this is 6 into 4 is 24 into 10 is 240 plus 240 divided by 12. So what is 49 plus 240? 49 plus 240 gives me minus 7 plus or minus. So this is 289 divided by 12. So 289 is a perfect square. So we know that 17 into 17 is 289. So I have minus 7 plus or minus 17 by 12. So now what are the two roots? It's very easy. Minus 7 plus 17 by 12. So which is 10 by 12, or it is 5 by 6 is one root. And what is the other root? X equals minus 7 minus 17 by 12. Okay, so this is minus 24 by 12, which gives me minus 2. So minus 2 is another root. So the two roots are 5 by 6 and minus 2. Next, seventh one, 4x square minus 2x minus 1 equals 0. So again, a is 4, b is minus 2 and c is minus 1. So I have x equals minus b, which is minus of minus 2. I write it as 2 plus or minus b square is 4 minus 4 into a is 4 into c is minus 1 divided by 2a, that is 4 into 2, which is 8. So we have 2 plus or minus. So remember, minus into minus is plus. So I get 16 plus 4, which is 20 divided by 8. Now 20 can be written as 4 into 5 by 8. So I can take this 4 outside the root. So I get 2. So which is 2 plus or minus 2 root 5 by 8. So dividing both the numerator and denominator by 2, what do I get? So we get 1 plus or minus root 5 by 4. Okay. So one root is 1 plus root 5 by 4. The other root is 1 minus root 5 by 4. So you can write it in the examination. So now we have a few additional problems. So let us solve them. So there are 6 MCQs and then 10 additional problems. So we'll solve that. So multiple choice, the first one, if b square minus 4ac equals 0. So very easy, you have 4 options. So we know that if it is equal to 0, the roots are real and equal. So the option is B, the roots are real and equal. Next, second one, if delta of kx into x minus 2 plus 6 is equal to 0 is equal, then what is k? So I need to find k here. So first of all, let us get the expression. So if I multiply this, I get kx square minus 2k into x plus 6 equals 0. So A is k, B is minus 2k, and C is 6. So what has been given? It has been given that delta is equal to 0. That is b square minus 4ac is equal to 0. So that is given. So delta is equal to 0 is given. So what is b square? Minus 2k the whole square minus 4 into a is k into c is 6 is equal to 0. So I get 4k square minus 24k equals 0. Alright. So what can be done? Can I divide this by 4? So I get k square minus 6k. Or can I divide this by k also? Yes, on both the sides. So I get k minus 6 equals 0 or k equals 6. Right? So among all the options, the answer is C, where k is equal to 6. The third one, the length of a rectangular garden is twice its breadth and the area is 800 centimeters square. What is the algebraic expression? So there is a rectangular garden, all right, and then it is given that the length is twice its breadth. So if this is x, this is the breadth b here, the length is twice its breadth, so it is 2x. And what is the area? Area is 800. So what is the area of a rectangle? It is length into breadth. So therefore 2x into x should be equal to 800, or 2x square equals 800 is the equation, right? So 2x square equals 800. So it has been given that among all the four options you have 2x into x equals 800. This is nothing but option A. So that is the right answer. Next, fourth one, delta of 2x square minus 3x plus 5 equal to 0 is. So I need to find delta. A is 2, B is minus 3, C is 5. So what is delta? B square minus 4ac. So b square is 9 minus 4 into 2 into 5. So what is it? It is 9 minus, so this is 5 into 2 is 10, 10 into 4 is 40, so you get minus 31. So minus 31 is the value of delta. So you check all the four options, you get D as the right answer. So D is minus 31, so you select D. Next, fifth one, the general form of x square minus 2x equals minus 2 into 3 minus x is. So what is the general form? The general form is ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. So let me multiply and remove the brackets here. So I have x square minus 2x equals minus 2 into 3 gives me minus 6, and then here minus 2 into minus 6, so plus 2x. Alright, so let me bring all of them to LHS. So I get x square minus 2x. When this comes to LHS, it becomes minus 2x. So minus 2x gives me minus 4x. Minus 6 comes to LHS, it becomes plus 6 equals 0. So I have x square minus 4x plus 6 equal to 0. You check all the four options. This corresponds to the option B, which is the right answer. Alright, so now going on to the next problem. Sixth one, the sum of two consecutive integers which are odd is 290. So you have two consecutive positive integers which are odd. So let the first number be x. So this is odd. The next one will be even. And then you have x plus 2, which is going to be odd. Right? So what has been given? The sum of squares of two consecutive odd positive integers is 290. So the sum of squares, so I take the square of the first odd number, which is x square. Again, I take the square of the second one, x plus 2 the whole square. I add them, that is 290. Right? So now I need to check among all the four options which is the right one. So this corresponds to option C. Right? So I have x square plus x plus 2 the whole square equals 290. Right? Okay. So now we have finished with the 6 MCQs, and now let us move on to the additional problems. There are 10 of them. So we need to find the roots or solve them using the formula. So the first one, x square minus 3x minus 4 equal to 0. So I will not write the values of a, b and c. I will directly solve the problem so that it saves time. So make sure that you solve the problem by writing all the values of what is a, b and c. So I will directly write. So x equals minus b. Minus of minus. B, a is 1, b is minus 3, c is minus 4. Alright. So therefore b is minus of minus 3, which is plus 3, plus or minus root of b square, which is 9, minus 4 into a is 1, c is minus 4. 4 into 1 into minus 4 divided by 2. So you have 4 into 4 is 16 plus 9 is 25. So I have 3 plus or minus root 25 by 2. So which is 3 plus or minus 5 by 2. Alright. So what is 3 plus 5 by 2? 3 plus 5 by 2 is 8 by 2, which is 4. And 3 minus 5 by 2 is minus 2 by 2, which is minus 1. So 4 comma minus 1 are the two roots. Next one. I have x square plus 4x equal to 5. So when it is equal to 5, I have to bring it to LHS. So therefore, when I bring it to LHS, it becomes minus 5 equal to 0. So what is x? X equals minus b, that is minus 4, plus or minus root of b square, that is 4 square, which is 16, minus 4 into a is 1, into c, which is minus 5, divided by 2 into a, which is 1. Right. So again here you have 5 into 4, right? So minus minus becomes plus. So 20 plus 16 is 36. So I have minus 4 plus or minus root 36 by 2. What is root 36? It is 6. So minus 4 plus or minus 6 by 2. Alright. So what do you get? Minus 4 plus 6 by 2 gives me 2 by 2, which is 1. So 1 is one of the root. Minus 4 minus 6 by 2 is minus 10 by 2, which gives me minus 5. So make sure that you do the calculations when you solve in the examination. The third one, 2x square minus 7x plus 3 equals 0. So x equals minus b, that is plus 7, plus or minus root of b square is 49, minus 4 into a into c divided by 2 into a is 4. So this is 49. Now observe here, this is 4 into 2 is 8, 8 3s are 24. So 49 minus 24. So what do you get? 49 minus 24 gives me 25, isn't it? So 25 divided by 4. So what is root 25? It is 5. So we get 7 plus or minus 5 by 4. So 7 plus 5 by 4. So which is 12 by 4 gives me 3. 7 minus 5 by 4 is 2 by 4 gives me 1 by 2. So 3 comma 1 by 2 is the answer. Fourth one, I have x square minus 2x minus 2 equals 0. So x equals minus b, minus of minus 2, plus or minus root of b square, that is minus 2 square, which is 4, minus 4 into a is 1, into c is minus 2, divided by 2 into 1. So here I have 4 and this is 8. So 8 plus 4 is 12. 2 plus or minus 12 by 2. Now 12 can be written as 2 plus or minus 4 into 3 by 2. So I can take this 4 outside the root. I get 2 plus or minus 2 root 3 by 2. So I can divide it by 2. So I get 1 plus or minus root 3. So one of the root is 1 plus root 3. The other root is 1 minus root 3. Fifth one, x square plus 2x minus 143 equals 0. Right? So I have x equals minus b, which is minus 2, plus or minus b square is 4, minus 4 into a is 1, into c is minus 143, divided by 2a. Alright. So here I have 4 into 143 plus 4. So this is minus into minus. So it becomes plus 4. Though I'll write the final answer. So you get minus 2 plus or minus root of 576 divided by 2. Okay. Now what is 576 root? Root of 576 is nothing but 24. So I have minus 2 plus or minus 24 by 2. So what do I get? First one, minus 2 plus 24 is 22 by 2, I get 11. Next, minus 2 minus 24 is minus 26 by 2, we get it as minus 13. Right? So we have solved 5 problems, we have 5 more, so we'll do that quickly. Sixth one, x square minus 3x equals 10. So again I bring this 10 to LHS, so it becomes minus 10 equals 0. So x equals minus b, that is minus of minus 3 is plus 3 plus or minus root of b square, which is 9, minus 4 into 1 into c, which is minus 10 divided by 2a. So I have 3 plus or minus, so observe here, so this is 4 into 10, which is 40 plus 9 is 49. Root 49 by 2. What is root 49? It is 7 by 2. So I have 7 plus 3 by 2, which is 10 by 2, I get 5. And what is the other root? 3 minus 7 by 2, which is minus 4 by 2, I get minus 2. So 5 comma minus 2 are the two roots. Next, moving on. Seventh one, 2x square plus x minus 6 equals 0. So I have x equals minus b, which is minus 1 plus or minus root of b square 1 minus 4 into a is 2 into c, which is minus 6 divided by 2a, which is again 4. So observe here, this is 4 into 2 into 6. So you get 6 2s are 12 into 4 is 48 plus 1 is 49. So again I get minus 1 plus or minus root 49 by 4. So what is root 49? It is 7 by 4. So what are the two roots? Minus 1 minus 7 by 4, which is minus 8 by 4. I get minus 2. The other one is minus 1 plus 7. So I get 6 by 4. What is 6 by 4? It is 3 by 2. So minus 2 comma 3 by 2 are the answers. Eighth one, 2x square minus 5x plus 3 equals 0. So minus of minus gives me plus 5 plus or minus root of b square minus 4 into a into c divided by 2a, which is 4. So 4 into 2 is 8, 8 into 3 is 24. So 25 minus 24 is 1. So I have 5 plus or minus 1 by 4. So I get 6 by 4, which is 3 by 2. 5 minus 1 is 4 by 4, which gives me 1. So 3 by 2 comma 1 is the answer. Next, ninth one, x square plus 48x minus 324 equals 0. So we have x equals minus b, which is minus 48, root of b square. 48 square minus 4 into 1 into c minus 324 divided by 2a. Right? So now you have to multiply these two. 324 into 4, it becomes plus 48 square. So when you do the calculations, you get this as minus 48. I've missed out plus or minus root of 3600 divided by 2. So 3600 is nothing but the square of 60. So I have minus 48 plus or minus 60 by 2. So I have minus 48 plus 60, which is 12 by 2, I get 6. The other one is minus 48 minus 60. So you get it as minus 108 by 2, which is minus 54. So 6 comma 54 with a negative sign are the two roots. The 10th one, 3x square minus 5x plus 2 equals 0. So what is x? X is minus b, which is plus 5, plus or minus root of b square 25 minus 4 into a into c divided by 2a. So again this is 25 minus 24, right? 12 into 2 is 24. So I get 5 plus or minus 1 by 6. So very easy. So you get 5 plus 1 is 6 by 6 is 1, and then 5 minus 1 by 6, which is 4 by 6, which is 2 by 3. So we have solved all the 10 additional problems where we had to find the roots using the formula. Okay, so to view the two model question papers which have been released by the SSLC board, click on the links given in the description, and also to find all the additional problems chapter wise which I have solved. To find all the other videos where I have solved all the extra problems like this which have been released by the DDPI Davangere, the links have been given in the description, right? So each video link covers problems from separate chapters. So I have solved problems from all the various chapters, which includes coordinate geometry, trigonometry, statistics, surface area and volume. Of course, you have quadratic equations and so on. So do not forget to like, share and subscribe, and press the bell icon to get notifications of all the further uploads. And wishing you all the best to all the students who will be taking up the 10th examination this year. Keep practicing problems, stay confident, stay calm and cool, and I'm sure that you will do well. Thank you.